Before tutorial begins, kindly click on subscribe button so that you will be notified anytime I release new videos. Don't forget to click on the bell button beside it so that you will always be notified.
Hi friends, I want to guide you on add-ons, on Samora bot add-ons. Now, what do you understand by add-on? Add-on is just the way to add more functionalities into your website or into your app, even into your chatbot if you are creating chatbot with Samora. So all you need to do, just click on add-ons at the bottom of your website manager or at the bottom of your manager. Now it will take you to a place like this. You can see click on plus assign to check available add-ons. So on this place I don't have any add-on. Now let me use one add-on as an example. Let's, for example, I come to my manager, I click on about us, I click on about us. Now you can see the way this thing is. So this welcome, if I want to bold it contribute, I can't do that. You can see I can't do that. So I want to give you one function of add-on. Now if you go to add-ons, click on plus. Now you can see we have many add-ons available. So the one I just did is I want to be able to edit my text, make it bold, underline, change the color, do many other things. So that's the work of add-on. Not only that, add-on can do many things, can add many functionalities into your manager. So like for example, if you install this rich text editor, let me click on it. Now I've installed it. Let me show you the work of this one. Go to my website manager. Now on this place we have about us, the one I showed you last time. Click on about us. You can see I'm able to make this thing bold, contribute, make it bold. I can see this one to maximize so that I can on this place I can make it bold. I can increase the font, increase it to 36. Now you can see I can perform anything. This thing I can design it, make it underlined, Ctrl U. You can see underline, so remove it. Even I can even add YouTube. So by just clicking on this one, you can see even Instagram. From Instagram, you can add your video. So after that, you can even come to display, add your link. So when you are done with that, you can see we have many things. I can change font family. So you can, let me just use this Times New Roman, and we can use this. You can see. So that's the wonderful work of add-on. So with that ordinary one add-on I installed, I'm able to do this. Not only on About Us, every other places. Let me go to products. Let me click on plus. You can see it here as well. So it's already here. That means I can design my content. What other place, anywhere, even on blog, I can still add content. You can see the content here. I can design my content, change the color. You click here. This is the background color. This is the text color. Change it to red. So you can see it has changed to red. So that's the only work of the add-on I installed. So let's check other add-ons. Click on plus. If you read description under them, you know the benefits and the work of each add-on. So like comment box, if you install this, it will add comment section into your blog and even into your post. Okay, so click hijacker and the voice and another thing. Don't worry, just subscribe to my channel. Each time I release other tutorial on each add-ons, you'll be notified. Thanks for watching.